Hi folks, this is Tony from LinkDaddy, and in this video I wanted to talk about Menterprise. Now, what is Menterprise? Well, it's mainly a very advanced content creation system. Now, as you already know, I have the largest blog network in the world, niche relevant blog network, and I do thousands of campaigns for different SEO agencies around the world, and it's important for me to provide really good content that I can then submit out to my blogs. So I use Menterprise to do that. Menterprise is not something that you need to download. You don't need proxies for Menterprise. You're not trying to download it. You don't have to worry about whether you've got a Mac or a Windows or anything like that. Once you actually sign up to become a member of Menterprise, you'll actually be assigned your own engine. One of the problems that I had in the past with another content creation platform is whenever I went to go and use it, often it was overloaded and I couldn't even get any content, or I'd say please include images and videos and it would come back with nothing, and these were for like basic keywords. So that really affected my business, and it was quite cheap. It was a monthly fee and it was quite cheap, but of course, as they say, you get what you pay for. Now, Menterprise has a sliding scale as far as its price range is concerned. I'm an extreme user, so I'm using 4 engines, and I pay about $600 a month for Menterprise. But actually I also have promoted Menterprise to a lot of people, and so I earn nearly $2,000 a month. So from the commissions that I earn, I pay for Menterprise, and I'm still got money in my pocket, about $1,300 a month. I just got paid today actually. So anyway, I'll make another video about, in fact I already made a video, about Menterprise and being an affiliate of Menterprise, but this video is about using Menterprise to create content. So I'm just going to share my screen here. So this is what you see when you sign up. You'll basically go to log in. Okay, and of course you'll need to put in your password details. Okay, so you can see here I've got 4 engines, okay, which means that I can create content really fast. So if you only have one engine, that's going to be a little bit slow, but obviously it depends on your, I mean, it's not bad, don't get me wrong, but because I'm doing thousands of campaigns, I need something that produces content very fast. I have virtual assistants which actually access this in another country, in the Philippines, and even though I do a lot of campaigns, I never max out my word limit. I have a word limit of 8 million words per month, and I haven't maxed that out yet since I've been using Menterprise. I've been using Menterprise, I think, for well, at least 12 months. It's probably even more than 12 months. So anyway, so you can see I'm an extreme user. So when you create content, you actually have all the past generations saved for the last 50. Now, I'm not sure how that works on the smaller plans, but for me, because I'm an extreme user, it basically backs up the last 50, the last 50 runs. Okay, so if I'm doing a campaign let's say I'm doing roofing, so I might type in something like what is the best type of roofing for my house. Okay, now questions are great. Okay, if you just put in one keyword, that's a little bit limiting. So now, because of the way I do things, because I'm working with a lot of clients, like they might send me, like let's say it's a roofing company in Austin, and they want to, get their map ranking higher in Google My Business. So I'm not going to put in here roofing Austin. And the reason why I wouldn't is because, one, that's just a straight out keyword, and two, it would also pull content from all of their competitors. Now, in some respects, that's actually not a bad thing, because then the content would be very relevant. But not all clients want blog posts mentioning their competitors. So the idea is that you create generic content by asking a question like this: what is the best type of roofing for my house? So I'm going to reduce this to 6, okay, and I've got it on 1,000 words per article. I'm using Google, and I've selected the United States. I've got plagiarism protection on, I've got spin sentences on, and I'm just using regular. So I'm going to click generate new. So now, while that's doing that, I might have a bunch of keywords like roofing company Austin, roof repairs Austin, roof replacement. Okay, so what I can do now is just send that and send it straight to the alt tags for the images and the alt tags for the videos. Now I'll just remove that, and that automatically populates my titles. It's already scraped. You can see the keywords have just come in for the alt tags for the images. So what Menterprise has already done, it's already scraped images, and it's then also checked to make sure that those images are live. So these are niche relevant images for roofing, okay? And I want to align images inline to text. I don't want to disable auto schema. I want to include 3 to 4 images per article. Okay, click OK. For my videos, it's scraped 100 videos that are all niche relevant. Again, here's the keywords as alt tags for those videos. I want to randomly place those videos in the content. Okay. Now the same keywords I want to have in the content. Okay, so 3 to 4 times these keywords are going to get mentioned randomly on the blog, on each blog post. For this particular example, I'm not going to embed a map, but this is where you would put the iframe code for your Google My Business map, and then you would just click on random. Okay, then you can also go here and you can put in the business name, the business address, the business phone number, and you would then create the NAP for the business. Okay, so every blog post would then have a NAP, and you can randomize the position of that NAP as well. So you can see that if I look at this content, because I've already got the modules, what Menterprise did is it went and it scraped a whole heap of paragraphs. Well, actually what it did, I'll tell you exactly what it did. It went to Google in the United States and it looked for websites that have content to do with this question. and then basically it grabbed all the content off all the index websites for roofing, like for best types of roofing, this type of thing, and it brought it back into Menterprise and it cleaned it all up and it put it into paragraphs. And then I added my keywords for my headers. I scraped images, I scraped videos, and then I put in keywords that I want to put into my content. So now if I refresh this, you can see I now have content that looks like this. Here's a roofing image, how to install metal roofing. Okay, here's another image, here's another image. You can see I've got a couple of titles here. Okay, so now if I didn't like those particular images, I can just respin, and now I've got different images and a different video. Okay, but you'll notice that they're in the same spot. If I didn't like that, I can spin again. You can see I've got a different title, I've got a different image, a different roofing video, a different image, and everything's different. Now, if I go to the next one, you'll see that it's completely different again. Now I've got an image here, an image here, an image here, and here's a video. Okay, if I don't like that, I can respin it and get different images and a different video. If I don't like that, I can spin it again. Okay, and everything's completely different. Okay, if I go to this one, this is different again. Okay, different images, different videos, different placements. Same with this one. You can see there's a different spot for the image, different spot for the video. Okay, I can preview this one, completely different again. All right. So now there's not as many titles as I want. So what it says here is pick the minimum maximum paragraph gap between headers. So I'm not getting enough titles, so I'm going to reduce that down to 2 to 3. So one title for every 2 to 3 paragraphs. Click OK, and I'm going to refresh this. Okay, and now you'll notice that things are completely different. Okay, and now I've got more titles. Well, there's only 2 for that article. 1, 2, 3. Now I've got 3 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this one. 1, 2, 3 in this one. Okay, and this last one, I'll just check this last one. 1, 2, 3, 4 titles. Okay, so everything is completely different. Okay, now what I can do, so if I had a blog, I could just come here and copy the HTML, and this would be the blog post that I would paste exactly into my blog. It would look exactly like this. Okay, but here is also thousands of unique versions of this particular content. And here's thousands of unique versions of this particular content, and so on and so on and so on. So now if I download this, as you can see, copied 5 pages to clipboard, now I have what's called nested spin tags. And now I can put that into a tool like Money Robot, and I can post out to all of my blogs, and every blog post will be completely unique. Different headings, different images, different videos, the placement of where they go on the page is going to be different. So when I do a campaign for my SEO customers, I create a campaign like I'll do a SEO do follow backlinks campaign, and that's like 3,000 blog posts, tier 3 linking to tier 2, linking to tier 1, and every blog post is completely unique, and it's all optimized and themed for roofing. Okay, with roofing images, roofing videos. If it was a local business, I can put in a map, their GMB, or I can embed their batch geo. I can put in their NAP. I can do all sorts of things with Menterprise. It is an absolutely brilliant content system. It's top of the class. There's nothing like this on the market. It costs a little bit more money, but it just doesn't have any competition. It's the best content system that you can get. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. Happy to help. I'm also a master affiliate, which means that you can sign up to become a user of Menterprise, and once you're a user, I can then approve you as an affiliate, and then you can start promoting Menterprise to your associates. And you know, once people start using Menterprise, they tend to stick to it. Let me give you some proof of that. I did actually make a video about this, but just to show you the proof. So you can see I was just paid today, the 19th of April, nearly $2,000, and my commission just keeps going up and up and up and up and up. Why is that? Because a lot of people are using Menterprise and they keep paying every month. You don't get these types of commissions with, you know, a $27 or $47 a month, you know, system. Menterprise really does work, and that's why people stick to it, and that's why I'm earning money from it. So yeah, sure, I pay $600 a month to be an extreme user, but when I get paid nearly $2,000 a month, the product pays for itself, and I'm getting $1,300 in my back pocket. Anyway, I'll include a link to the article about Menterprise, and yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. You can find me on Facebook, Tony Peacock. You can come to my Facebook group, Link Daddy Video Marketing Group. Yeah, I'm easy to find. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.